welcome back to my channel. Today we have another designer purse unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing from Prada. So this will be my second Prada unboxing on my channel. If you want to see what's inside the bag, well, what bag is inside the bag, keep watching. Before we get into today's unboxing, please make sure you're hitting the like button as well as subscribe to my channel. I do a ton of designer unboxings, so if this is your thing, then you definitely want to hit that subscribe button as well as your post notifications. So every time I upload a new unboxing or just a new upload in general, you'll get a little notification. So I purchased this purse from the Fifth Avenue Prada store, the same store I purchased my 2000 limited edition nylon tote from. So if you want to see me unbox that video, I will leave a link somewhere on the screen so you can see that. But let's get into today's Prada's purchase. This is like a little bit different than the normal type of bag I would buy, I guess you could say. I don't know, it has like a little bit of a different style. I was a little torn. I was like, does it look like an old lady bag? Is it cute? Is it not? But I mean, Prada is always Prada, so I actually had never seen this bag on a person. I'd never seen this bag in an advertisement. I just had never really seen this bag. And then I was in the Prada store and I saw it on the display and I was like, oh my God, that's really cute. What actually drew me to the bag was the color. And yeah, I guess I should stop talking about the bag and get into showing you the bag. We know it's from Prada. I'm gonna try my best to not let anything fall. So inside we have the Prada dust bag, a little care card, I guess, and then, oh, of course, the box would be upside down. And this is the bag. So it's a super soft leather. It's like a chevron print, a chevron pattern. I don't know if you call it chevron print or pattern. I don't know the exact name of this bag. To be honest. So inside is a dust bag, the care card as well, and then we have inside, this is the bag. So it has a chain strap, a detachable chain strap. One of my last unboxings, I did a YSL camera bag, and one of my biggest complaints about that bag was that the strap was not detachable. So now I definitely make sure to look for two things when buying small purses. Does my phone fit, and is the strap detachable? So this is I'm trying to see if there is a tag or something with the name of the bag in here. As much as I love bags, you would think I know like the name of every bag in the world, but I don't. So this bag, as you can see, it has a chevron leather print. And on top, so this is what makes this bag really cool. There's two zippered compartments, but then the inside, well, the middle rather, is also a compartment. So when I was in the Prada store on Fifth Ave, the associate was telling me a lot of people just love to put their phone in the middle compartment and then, you know, keep their important items on the sides. So I thought that was a really cool selling point. It is a beautiful gray color, a beautiful gray leather color. I honestly don't remember how much exactly this bag retailed for. I think it's really cute. I think it could really dress up like just plain jeans and a t-shirt because of the gold hardware and strap. It's also like a great evening bag. Sadly, I do not know the name of this bag, but I am going to look it up on the Prada website so that I can give you guys the accurate name in the description below and probably in the title. I just know it's such a cute color. I'm one of those people, well, if you aren't new to my channel, then you already know how I feel about purses, but I'm the type of person that I will buy a bag, or I'll have my eye on a bag simply because of the color. It could be a style I would never wear, or it could just be like the furthest thing that I would have ever pictured. But if it has a color, a special color, a unique color, a color that I like, I go for it. So I don't have any gray bags, and I don't have anything even close to gray now that I think about it. So when I went into Prada and I saw their wall, their display of gray bags, I was like, I need a gray bag. It's winter. Gray works in winter. Gray works in fall. Gray works in spring. Gray works in summer. Gray works all 4 seasons. All 4 seasons. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you're hitting that thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, you might as well go ahead and turn your post notifications on. So every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification, and it's probably going to be a video that you like. So I will see you guys in the next video.